Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful flower pendant earring design set. For making this I am using 8 number pearl cotton thread, starch, jewelry chain, needle and thread, scissor, jump ring. I am using 0.9 mm crochet hook, plier, glue and 2 mm golden beads. First we will make a base. So let's start with magic ring. One, two, three chain, one double crochet in ring, second double crochet in ring, third double crochet in ring. So I will make total 8 double crochet all around this ring and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch. In second round, 3 chain, one double crochet in same stitch, in next stitch 2 double crochet, in next stitch 2 double crochet. So in this round I will make 2 double crochet in each stitch and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch like this. Next round, 3 chain, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 2 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 2 double crochets. So in this round I will follow the same pattern. One time double crochet, second time double crochet, in third stitch I will work 2 time double crochet and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch and cut the thread. Here is our base. Now we will make white flower. Start with ring, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chain, 1 triple crochet in ring, second triple crochet in ring, third triple crochet in ring, and 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, connect in ring by slip stitch. Like this. Again 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, first triple crochet in ring, second triple crochet in ring, third triple crochet in ring, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, connect in ring by slip stitch. So these are our 2 petals. So I will complete this round by making total 4 petals. I have completed my 4 petals. So our flower is complete. Now I will cut the thread. And take it down. And pull the magic rings thread. Here is our flower. I already made 3 flowers. So total we need 4 flowers for our design. Now we will make rose. Start with slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will make total 30 chain. I made total 30 chain. Now one more chain. Skip first chain, in second chain 1 single crochet. In next chain 1 single crochet. In third chain 1 single crochet. So I will work single crochet in each stitch and complete my round. Now I completed my round by making single crochet in each stitch. Now I will make chain 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain and turn my work. Now skip 2 chain. 1, 2. In third chain. In third chain I make a single crochet. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain. Skip 2 chain. In third chain 1 single crochet. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain. Skip 2 chain. In third chain 1 single crochet. So I will complete this round by follow same pattern. 4 chain, skip 2 chain, in third chain 1 single crochet and complete my round. I have completed my round by getting these loops. Now I will work 2 chain and turn my work 1 double crochet in this loop, second double crochet in same loop, third double crochet, fourth double crochet in same row loop, fifth double crochet, sixth double crochet, seventh, eighth double crochet. Now I will connect in the single crochet by slip stitch like this. Again in next loop I will make double crochet, first double crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and 8th. So I will make total 8 double crochet in this loop and connect in the center of 2 loops by single crochet. So I will follow same pattern and complete my round. Now I have completed my round. You can see our petals. Now I will cut thread by taking extra thread like this. Now these are the part of our design, so I will apply starch back side of these. Now let it dry for 5-10 minutes. I will apply starch on base also. And let it dry. Now I will shape the flowers like this. Now we will make rose. I will fold it like this. With the help of needle, I will fix it. Now the rose is ready. Now I will attach our parts on base with the help of needle and thread. So I will pass through like this. Like this. And this flower also I will fix by I will attach these flower also with the help of needle. Now I have attached all my flowers on my base. Now I will make a knot. And cut the thread. And fix this thread by glue. Here is our design. Now I will add jump ring. On my base. Now I will attach to my chain. Here is our beautiful pendant. I already made the earrings. So here is our beautiful pendant and earring set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.